Sorry, the TV's gonna be on. Make sure we don't get no tornado or anything. Even though it's weakened, it still can smell tornado. This is no longer severe, and it's now a thunderstorm. It was earlier this afternoon, but the time I got here, it's weakened because there's no sun. Oh, that one over there, yeah, there's where the thunderstorms are. Over here, it's not weaker. Over there, stronger. I see that's weakening. There's getting less and less lightning. Or not enough sun. Oh, I feel a breeze. Oh. Well, it's out there gonna be stronger. It's gonna be warmer. Right down Alabama. So a little bit more southern direction, northern direction. No, it's not getting more light, it's just getting closer. The tornado sirens are going off.